Let's solve this problem using addition. So in a school, there are the following number of students: 127 in grade 1, 120 in grade 2, 110 in grade 3, 100 in grade 4, and 93 in grade 5. So let's try to add all of those together to find the total number of students in the school. So you'll see that I paid special attention to lining up my numbers according to their place values. So now that everything is aligned in the right column, we can start adding. So 7 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 is 10. So I'll put the 0 down here and the 1 up here. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6, plus 9 is 15. So I can regroup the 15 like this. And my last column is easy. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. So in total, there are 550 students at the school.